You need to repair or touch up a part before painting? Then the new 2-component epoxy base body filler simplifies the job. The filler kit can be ordered from the GLC. To repair surfaces or to eliminate irregularities in the case of a part replacement or on tin-plated transitions, or for a part replacement with tin plate in the weld area, you only need the cartridge with the filler and the static mixer. With this, the two components are mixed and are easy to apply. For a part repair without tin plate in the weld area, you also need the glue set. Remove the cartridge with the adhesive and the mixing attachments. You'll also need a commercially available plastic brush and the filler, and then you can get started. Seal the welds with the adhesive. Otherwise, there's a danger that moisture can get to the filler via the open pores, and this leads to unsightly blistering. No matter what kind of work, the new filler has many advantages. It can be easily worked with for 60 to 90 minutes. You can touch up an area of up to 2 mm in depth. And at room temperature, it cures in up to 24 hours or at 60 degrees Celsius within 1 hour. When it dries, it's ready to work with because then it's resistant to high pressure and will not shrink.